In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page post step by step. Posting regularly helps you engage your audience, promote your products or services, and grow your business on Facebook. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to the account that manages your business page. Tap the menu icon, then switch to your business page if needed. Once you're on your page, tap the Create Post or What's on Your Mind box to start a new post. Next, type your message. You can share an update, promote a product or service, announce an event, or ask your audience a question to encourage engagement. To make your post more attractive, tap the Photo/Video option to upload images or videos from your device. You can also add a location, tag relevant people or businesses, or include a call to action if those options are available. Before publishing, review your post carefully for accuracy and spelling. When you're satisfied, tap Post or Publish to share it with your audience. After your post goes live, monitor the comments, likes, and shares, and respond to your audience to build stronger relationships. You can also check your professional dashboard or insights to see how your post is performing and use that information to improve future content. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.